Okay, my usual routine when I wake up in the morning is make a golden milk for my husband, and then after that I'll get ready for the day. I'll plan for like what kind of ingredients I need to get for the next cooking order. Yeah, that's usually my day, and then I spend most of my time in the kitchen actually. The kitchen is what I love to be in pretty much 24/7. And today I'm cooking curry puffs for an order for tomorrow. There's 34 curry puffs we're making. So the delivery tomorrow is at what? 3:40. So I'm going to make this and put it in the fridge and then bake it. Probably like, if it's 3:40, I'll probably bake it at 2. So on Monday, I got a call and said, look, do you want to do 70 wraps? 70 wraps of chicken and 70 wraps of veggies. So that's 140 wraps. So the order came in on Monday morning, and I'm like, okay, sure, why not do it? Because the delivery was 4:30. So I figured I had the whole day to figure it out, and the day before. So Monday afternoon I went off buying the grocery thinking, yeah, I got plenty of food. Everything was perfect. So when I started rolling, I realized towards the end I didn't have food. So I panicked, and I immediately, when I knew I ran out of food, I ran out of zucchini. So nightmare. Zucchini. And in fact everything. I ran out of everything. And I've never done wraps before. This is the first time. And I did a wrap tasting like, what, a month ago. So my memory of the wraps is barely there. I have to look at the list constantly and even miss some stuff also. Anyway, yeah, so that was a pretty frightening experience in the sense that when you run out of food, when you run out of ingredients, it's like fear. My favorite part of cooking actually is when I'm prepping, not when I'm freaking delivering. Oh my god, it's the most stressful time. And you know what, I never cooked like this before. This is something that I watch and looked, and my family, you know, my mom cooks all sorts of stuff as well, and I never get involved except maybe chopping. This is the first time I cook this way actually. I cook like, normally I cook, I don't know what I cook, I just cook my way, but never sort of like almost traditional. I wouldn't say traditional, it's my version, my take of what I used to love eating. Basically the food that I miss eating. I do love my job. I mean, it is good when it's relaxing. When it's not like time crunching. That's really. But once you deliver it, it's such a good feeling. It's like, oh my god, it's done. It's like, oh my god, I actually did it and done.